Hello, everyone. My name's Taylor Darwin. If you have not yet already watched the 1314 video for the other Canvas course that you may see, um, maybe go and watch that one first. It may make more sense, and then watching this one after. So I am your instructor for both the 1314 and the 0214, this course. They go together. It's a little confusing to some people, so let me just briefly explain it, although this video is going to be a lot shorter than the other one. So this is only meant to support you and to help you be successful in the 1314 class, also known as the transfer level class. It's the course that you get credit for. However, you need to participate in this class. You need to pass this class in order to also pass the other class. This is not meant to stress you out. It's not meant to just like be busy work or like not helpful. That is not my goal. And normally a 16-week course has a little bit more to it, but I've really cut down a lot of the assignments to make sure that you're not overwhelmed and you have the time to focus on the 1314 class while doing these assignments. The assignments for this course will help you and will coincide to what we're doing in the 1314 course. I talked to students last semester. It took them maybe 30 minutes a week to do what you need to do in this course. It's really not, again, meant to stress you out. It's just to help you. So let me show you. Here's our welcome video. Really, all that you're expected to do is there's a weekly check-in, and that's really seemed to be beneficial in previous courses like these. An activity and review a study tip if you want. And that is it. Again, I just want to help you be successful. The official syllabus can be found as well under that tab. Really, I mean, it just, oh, why is it not loading all the way? There it goes. It shows the breakdown. The check-ins are 20%. The activities, which I'll explain, are 80%. I'll let you read the rest of that syllabus. It's very similar to the other one. I need to update these due dates, but let me show you what a check-in looks like. It's a quiz, but it's just, don't let it stress you out. It's all good. I just want to know, really this is kind of for me to kind of connect with you and for you to tell me if you could literally put, you could put great, I don't care, right? Like whatever. You don't have to make complete sentences, it's math. But if you're feeling great, great. Say it. If you're saying, I am so stressed and I need help. Well, first of all, you can definitely say that. Totally the space to say it. But also, if you need help, please message me. Please email me. I am always readily available and helpful. I try to be at least. Because sometimes, like if you do this on a Monday, and it's not due till Saturday, I won't grade it probably until the next Monday. And it's like, oh my gosh, they've been stressed for a week. I wish I would have seen that. And I try to grade them before Saturday if people do them early. But anyways, this is just a chance and an opportunity for you to talk to me. And then this is just another, I'm not okay. I'm having a difficult time. Maybe this doesn't apply to you. Great. Go on about your day. If you need to schedule a WebEx meeting with me, put that. Although again, I don't know when I will actually grade this. It could be up to a week. So if you need it immediately, please message me. Or maybe you just need me to know that you're having a little bit of a rough time right now. That's all. Just wanted to put it out there. Now, I do need to tell you that when you submit these quizzes, I have to go in and grade these manually. So it's going to say you have like a 0. Don't let that freak you out. It's all good. And in quizzes, I have to put a right answer. Even though any of these answers are right, it's what's going on in your life. This is technically, as the systems views it, the right answer. So I have to go back in and count it correctly. Just saying, don't let it stress you out. That's 20% of your grade. Easy. It takes people like 2 seconds to do it. Or if you want to take more time, great. I really do read these. So if you want to say stuff, that's the space. I'm happy to read them and help you however I can. The second part of the course are activities. We do them through Google Slides. And yeah, I'm interested to see how it goes. Last semester was kind of hit or miss. I had really, really good groups and it was super awesome. And then sometimes if the groups don't, how shall I say, pull their weight, it can be a little not as meaningful learning experience. So I'm excited and hopeful that this semester will be good. So the first week's kind of just a make sure that you know how to work Google Slides and get all the kinks out and all that fun stuff. And so I do have a separate video for that. And so you'll need to go ahead and watch that video, and then you can actually do the Google Slides. And it explains how to do it as well. Now, again, this is not meant to stress you out. If you've got questions, like I don't even know how to share a Google slide. I don't even know, what is Google? Message me. I'm happy to help. There are no dumb questions unless you don't ask them. What else was I going to say? I think that's it. It's really straightforward. I don't want this to stress you out. Oh, there's always a study tip if you want to read it. I try to be helpful in that department as well. Note-taking, study tips, etc. Oh, I feel like I'm missing something, but anyways, good luck. I'm here for you. Let me help you. Reach out to me. Ask questions. Oh, I remember what I was going to say. I know there's a lot of videos right now. I promise it'll calm down after this first week or two. It's just a lot of information right now. I'm hoping not to overwhelm you, but I do want to make sure that you have all the information readily available to you. I look forward to working with you and have a great day.